Hello everybody, long time no see. Today I am back with my first Plan With Me video in what seems like forever. So I'm going to quickly go over my current planning setup. I'm literally just using this notebook. It's really pretty. It says make your mark with some gold foil, and then I believe I got it from Marshall's, yes, and it was $3. And this is what I've been using to plan for the past couple of months. Now I'm going to start writing down some of the tasks that I know that I have for each day. Also, you'll notice that I'm not doing Monday through Sunday. This is actually a Friday through a Thursday. Don't ask why. For some reason I thought today was Monday when I was filming this, but in fact it is Friday. So just ignore that. It's going to be a little off-kilter this week, and that's just how it's going to be. But I was just writing down that my niece will be over today because my mom babysits her every Tuesday and Friday. So I just kind of like to write that in my planner because I like to try to spend some time with her. Sundays are always a day off with my husband. So it's one of my favorite days of the week for sure. Tuesday I work from 10 to 7 at my job, and my husband and I will probably go to Chick-fil-A on our break. Of course, my camera stopped recording and didn't let me know. I wish it would like make a noise or something whenever it stops recording, but this is my finished spread for this week of Friday the 19th of July through Thursday the 25th of July. I think it's really cute. This has been my planning style recently. Just simple and straightforward, and it's really great for memory planning as well. It's so fun to look at my past weeks and see everything that I've written down. It's kind of like a journal or a diary, and I'm really enjoying it. It's much more laid back than what I was doing before, and I prefer not having to deal with inserts or anything like that. And it's very affordable too, because this notebook was literally like $3, and the paper is really nice. Nothing bleeds through, as you can see. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and if you want more videos like this, let me know what types of videos you would like to see from me in the future, as I plan on focusing more on my YouTube channel, more so than my shop going into the future now. So yeah, I'll be posting a lot more often, and I'm really excited, and I hope you all will join me on this new journey. And I hope you all are having a wonderful week, and again, thank you so much for watching. Bye!